So after several days, we have a video related to market. Now I think it's very important to do a proper stock selections. Okay, so there are several things I learned from the internet. Okay, so this is from the booming bulls. This guy is a genius, and I learned how to use this. But apart from that, the most important thing is stock selection. Okay, so if you look at this picture here, so stock selection, yesterday I made a selection, day before yesterday I made a selection of graphite. If you look at this one, so the volume, if you want to understand a little bit about basics, now volume means the amount of money people are spending to buy this stock. Okay, so this is the volume. So if you look at this one, it's increasing, right, day by day, and we should also know what is our target, right? If you look at this one, I'm opening a monthly chart here. For a long-term investment, monthly is good, but this stock is doing really good these days. If you look at this, it's like 1011, so we have still 300 profit left. So yesterday I made 2 consistent profit here, not much, but still it was profitable. So this is very important, like we should know, analyze with stock. So tell me about the future. Most of the time people don't tell you about the future, they just tell right now. Okay, it has already gone out of hand. I don't think this has gone out of hand. We still have 300 to go here, right? So there's a possibility here. And if you look at this one, IEX, this was also one of the very good stock. If you look at the volume, it's really increasing. I use several indicators, don't be confused. This is the RSI. RSI 80 means it's overbought, so I'm not going to buy here. This is maybe not a good time to buy here. Okay, so apart from that, just now I took a position in Relaxo. I just bought 3 stocks here. Relaxo, if you look at the chart, also has a possibility of going up, because last time I made a profit in Relaxo, then I sold it, then it went down. So if you look at this picture, last time I sold when it was 300, more than 900. Okay, I sold it that time. But today the volumes are there, and it's slightly overboard, John. This is the overboard. Whenever we see the RSI more than 50 means it's trending. Okay, let's see, more than 50 means trending. You see, this is a strong stock. This is going up and up and up and up. So this kind of stocks are selected by our famous Saurabh Mukherjee. Okay, so his stock selection is based on the consistent earning of the profit. You see, this is such a strong stock where you don't see it going below 50. Okay, so if you look at here, okay, those people who have invested here, let's say someone who invested here, what was the price here? Let's look at the daily chart and see. So it stays above most of the time. When RSI is below 50, it's a time you should sell it. Okay, and above 50 means it's trending. So I also use stochastic. When a stochastic is low, it's a good time to buy. So usually we buy here, and then when it comes up, like last time what I did was I bought it here, it went up. Okay, now you see there's a possibility, right? So right now if you look at this one, 48, right? So it has a possibility up to 70. You see that till the time it reaches 70, we are not selling it. So you see this RSI stochastic is in the lower side. This means that this stochastic is still in the right place, is a buying place. Up here is a selling place. You see there's some volume here, but it's not that high. If this volume increases up to here, this will definitely go up to 950 or at least. Okay, so here we have a room for earning in Relaxo. This is a good stock. IRCTC is little low today. As you see, if you look at the stochastic, in the sell zone, so I should better sell this one. Actually, I'll do it right now. And you see, this is a very important thing. It makes a suggestion people are selling it, right? So people are not buying it today. So if you look at this one, this also has a target of going up to at least 2026. So here we have a room of 300 rupees per stock profit. Motilal Oswal will definitely do good, because Motilal Oswal is a wonderful company. It gave a lot of money in the past, and now it's also in the profit, you see. So last time when I sold, it was about 650. I think this was the range when I sold it. It also made some profit, but now if you look at here, this is 603, so it's the right time to buy. I bought it at somewhere like at this line. I bought it because 600 is a good price for this one. Right now it's this is the hourly chart. Let's look at the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, still people are buying it. Okay, it means people want it. Motilal Oswal is because this is helping people grow money, right? So they are very good at predicting some of the stocks. Right now you see Motilal, if you look at their now, so the target price of M&M is 250. Their target is usually really good. they meet the target very well. HCL Technology right now is trending 1190 is the target. Okay, so what is Motilal Oswal is doing is they are good in their business of helping people grow money, so definitely people will grow more money in the future. So this was a simple analysis. Now I was really happy with the graphite, because graphite is one of the stock which does really well. Okay, I should not forget mentioning about Rajesh Export. This was suggested by Vivek sir, because his analysis on stock is also definitely one of the best, I think, for long-term investment. This is not for day-term investment. If you look at this one right now, it's growing up, right? So I will not like to sell it. I think it's getting a lot of money here. If you look at my positions, Rajesh Export is the one which is gaining like 500 or something. I see. So Rajesh Export is doing good. I have invested in different places. You see, it went up to 653. But IRCTC is really not giving me a lot of money. You see, this one I just bought 3 stocks, okay, as a trial, and it's giving some profit. This is I'm doing a trial version, because definitely after a year I will just simply put one more zero here. So that is how I will do it. Okay guys, so you see Rajesh Export hit it up, it really hit it up. So you see it is going to hit the high target of 522. That is what we want. We want this to hit up. I had more conviction in Rajesh Export, because they are very good in doing gold business, and they have many branches, in India, marriage and all this kind of stuff. All they need is gold. So jewelries, and especially they have a company of making it. They have a processing company. Let's see what does it do. Okay, before we exit. Actually, I don't want to exit, because Rajesh Export, if you look at the monthly chart of Rajesh Export, if you look at the monthly chart of Rajesh Export, so the reason why in the future what I will do is I will not tell you the stock which will be, which is already dead. It is no room for buying. We should tell the stock which I can buy right now. I can make use of it. So just like I said, but definitely you shouldn't be coming and telling it's because you said. No. You have to learn technical analysis by yourself. If you don't learn, you should spend time. See, most of the people, they spend time on becoming, 12 years of graduation just to earn a money of 1 or 2,000 or 10,000 rupees, and they don't want to spend 4-5 years to understand